In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive money from Shopify in 2025. Whether you're just starting with Shopify or looking to refine your existing setup, this guide will walk you through how to ensure you can smoothly set up your payment system to start receiving payments from customers efficiently and securely. Let's dive right in. To begin, the first step is to navigate to your Shopify admin homepage. This is essentially your command center on Shopify, where you'll manage everything from your products to your payments. If you're not already logged into your Shopify account, go ahead and log in from your web browser. Once you've logged in, you should find yourself on the homepage of your store's admin panel. Next, we need to access the settings to make adjustments related to payments. On your Shopify admin page, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen for the Settings tab. Click on it. This section allows you to customize and control nearly every aspect of your store, from general information to specifics like shipping and taxes. Trust me, it's the hub where you'll configure all the essential back-end tasks to keep your store running smoothly. After opening the settings, the next thing you'll want to do is focus on the Payments option. This can typically be found on the left sidebar under the Settings menu. Click on Payments. This will open up a new page where you'll see a variety of payment options and settings specifically related to how you want to accept and process payments on your Shopify store. From here, you can integrate different payment methods, which is crucial for creating a seamless checkout experience for your customers and ensuring you're ready to receive funds. From this point, you'll see an option labeled See All Other Providers. Go ahead and click on it. This link will guide you to a comprehensive list of additional payment providers that Shopify supports. It's a great resource if you're looking to explore beyond Shopify's default payment gateway and want to find a payment provider that maybe better suits your business's specific needs or your customers' preferences. You will want to focus on selecting and setting up third-party payment providers. Once you click on See All Other Providers, another selection labeled Third-Party Payment Providers will be available. By clicking here, you will be presented with a variety of external payment processors. Select a third-party provider that suits your business requirements, follow the necessary steps to set it up, and you'll be ready to start receiving money. And there you have it. You're all set to start receiving payments on Shopify. Remember, having a reliable payment setup ensures not just smooth business operation, but also a trustworthy shopping experience for your customers. Thanks for joining me today, and happy selling on Shopify.